Hello world, I am Praveen Kumar S. I am an engineering student from India. I welcome you all to the first video of my series of videos on C programming. I created this video to help beginners learn C programming. You may want to learn programming for whatever reason. Maybe you are interested in computers, maybe you want to learn out of your curiosity, or maybe you are just forced to learn it as part of your subjects. In either ways, this video is helpful for any beginner or an intermediate programmer to learn C programming concepts, or it is applicable for any general programming language. I'll be focused on C programming, but we'll also learn general programming concepts that you can apply for any language. To follow along, you don't need any prior experience. It's as I said, it is absolute beginner friendly. In my opinion, programming is not a specialization or a subject that you learn. Rather, it's a skill that you practice. It's a skill of problem solving. So I'll explain each concept with an analogy and example programs. You can follow along the video at your own pace. If you have questions or issues, you can ask me down in the comments below each video. I'd be glad to help. I hope to see you all in the first part. Happy learning.